Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create new sidebar areas and display them conditionally on certain pages in your WordPress website. So search this plugin Lightweight Sidebar Manager. This is the famous and popular plugin for creating a new area of sidebar. So just install and activate. We can see here good ranking and active installation. So just guys, you install and activate and use this plugin. Guys, if you have any problem to use this plugin, so comment. I will create a new video about this plugin, how to use this plugin and how to create a new area for sidebar in your WordPress website. So in this short and basic video, I gave you information and I display a popular plugin to creating a new sidebar area. Thanks for watching, and also guys, check out my WordPress learning and WordPress plugin playlist series. So thanks for watching. Show your love by subscribing my channel.